my name is Patrick, and this video is to tell you about the crash course that we're running for IPMAT, JIPMAT, NPAT, CET Xaviers. Basically, the BBA Entrance examinations, which are the aptitude exams. We have an online course as well as classroom course, which will be held at Thane. So, this is details of the particular course. Faculty, I'll be teaching the course with regards to maths and logic. Roshan ma'am will be teaching the verbal part of it. So, we are the two main persons who will be conducting the sessions and will guide you accordingly for all the exams that you will be taking up. So it's basically a crash course where we'll cover the whole syllabus and then help you with the shortcut methods, etc. So we'll train you for a different exam, IPMAT Indoor, IPMAT Rotor, JIPMAT exams, also for the BBA Entrance Exam like NPAT, CET, Xaviers. We'll take limited number of students. The course has 100 plus hours of live sessions and we complete the syllabus and then focus on shortcut workshops. So we'll also have workshops purely for shortcuts, how to solve, etc. We'll also guide you with regards to mock canvases, etc. So notes, videos, mocks, slide out solving, all that will be part of the particular course. And guidance with regards to how to go about cracking the exam. How to enroll? You can go to prep.patrick100.com to enroll yourself or contact us on this number 9821314788. The first batch is starting on 14 March 2024. If you're interested, do contact us and you can start the course. You can also email us at support@coinacademy.com for more details, right? So basically, IPM is a 5-year integrated program, BBA plus MBA, mainly conducted by the 5 IIMs, Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu, Bodh and IIT Kakinada. I mean, if you look at placements that are there, similar to MBA course, whatever the MBA placements are similar to that. We also made a different video for the placements for the IIM and IFT as such. You can look at those placement figures. So we do have courses, which is a 1-year long course, 2-year long course, apart from the crash course that we have. You also will get videos and mocks for the entire series. Hope this helps. Thank you.